Hello everyone. My name is Joey, and so now I'm going to create a chart for question 2. Okay, as you can see right here, I have insert every required values which can be downloaded from UTS on Canvas, and everyone has been assigned a different set of sample. So make sure to check which sample you're using. Dataset you're using. And right here I'm using a dataset number 4, and I've copy and pasted all these values to this table that I've created here. I've also created a few tables for some values that will be used, such as the x average, r average table, and the average table for this x average and the r value. And then also created a table for n, A2, D3, and D4. Also the UCL, LCL table for X chart and R chart. And this table right here will be used to create a chart later. And okay, so let's begin. So right here I will insert the value of n first. I'm going to use sample size number 7, so I'm going to put 7, and the A2 value will be 0.42, so I'll put it, and the D3 is 0.08, and D4 is not 1.92. Okay, then I'll begin with by finding the x average, and so yep, and then I'll find the R range, which is the max value of this minus main value of the sample that you have, and then I'll drag it down again, the same thing. Yep, looks good. Okay, then the average will be average of the value that we just found earlier, and let's check it again. Yep, 32, 32, 33. Okay, and then we'll do the same thing, find the average of the range. Oops. Uh, okay, yeah, then okay, let's continue. And then after obtaining this average value of the x average and the range, we then find the UCL and LCL value for both of these by using the formulas which can be found in this variable data chart that I insert into this Excel. shit. Okay, as we can see, the x average for UCL formula will be the average plus A2 value, which is 0.42 times the range. Great. Then for the LCL, we will be using the similar formula, but instead of using the plus sign, we're going to use the minus sign this time. We'll just copy and paste it to make it easier. As you can see, I've changed the plus to minus right here. Then we just enter it. Then let's recheck it again if we're using the correct formula. UCL is plus, LCL is minus. Yep, this is correct. Then let's find the R chart. The RUCL will formula will be D4. D4 is this one times the R average. And then the LCL will be D3 times the average of range. And then let's check it again. Yep. LCL, UCL is yep, that's correct. And after finding the UCL and LCL, we can insert this value to the X chart and R chart table right here. First of all, we have to insert the center value, which is the average of the total average. So just drag it down for all of 30. No, no. They all will be same for 30 samples, and the X chart UCL will be 1.5484.8. Yep, and again, both of them also similar for everything. And then let's put in the R value. Oops, 78 point. And then drag it down again. Okay, then after finding this I chart and R chart value, we can now create the table. So let's begin with selecting all the data that we're gonna use. Oops. I'm going to use 2D line. Next is title. I'm going to insert title X chart. The axis title for y-axis will be volume, which is milliliter, and the axis title for x-axis will be sample number. And then I'm going to change the name sender. This will be UCL. This will be LCL. And this one will be X. So yes, this is the X chart. And now I'm going to create the R chart. I'll just copy and paste to make it easier again, and just change the data that we're gonna use. Center. Yep, center. The X value. I'll change the name again to range. Yep, and we have to change the R, the axis title to range, and sample number. So yeah, that's it for in this section, like the steps how to create the chart for question 2. And thank you.